Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the CT Pool crypto mining app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in CT Pool to begin your search. Once you find the CT Pool crypto mining app, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the application on your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done you can tap on the open button, which will now open up the app. Now you will have the option to continue by logging in through your Google account, after which you can start using the CT Pool mining application on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the CT Pool crypto mining app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.